So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and try and do Calendar Notebook and see how this is going to work. I have things set up for us. I think this will work. So we get rid of Morning Message. And we will get started. Our month is April, and so we will need to put in April at the top. We begin with an uppercase A, and then lowercase for all the rest. P, R, I, L, and then we're going to need to put the year, which is 2020, and we'll put the whole thing instead of the shortcut. 2020. Hope yours fits a little better than mine. Okay, now I'm going to change the camera to make it a little close up on this, so as we go through the pages, you will be able to see what it is I'm writing. All right? Okay. Let's see here. Okay, hopefully you can see that. And this month, the first began on Wednesday. So when we go across our days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will put our 1 on Wednesday. And then yesterday was Thursday, and today is Friday. So this is what your calendar should look like. All right. Turn the page and turn the page. I wasn't sure whether we would have May also, so I left it in here, but we'll just skip that until we get to May. Okay, so we are going to write today's date. First, we need to put in our numbers for our months. So January is our number 1 month, and December is our 12. So we'll need to fill in our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. If there's something that you cannot get finished in time, then that's fine. You can always go back afterwards and do it then. All right, so to write the date, the first thing we need to write is the month. And so to find the month, we know it's April. So when we look down, January, February, March, April, we can see that April is our 4th month. So 4 would go first. What should we put next? A dash, you are right, because we don't want to get our numbers all mixed up. The next thing we'll need is the day. The day. So today is the 3rd. I'm sorry I don't have the other side up for you to see, so I'll put the 3rd. And then we want another dash. And what's the last thing we'll put? Exactly, a 20, because it's a shortcut, right, for 2020. So that's today's date. 4/3/20 stands for April 3rd, 2020. Good job. Let's turn the page. Oops. And turn the page. And now we are going to put our day number on our 10 frame. Today is the 3rd, so we will put a 3 in our first box and go ahead and fill in what 3 will look like on a 10 frame. I'll give you a moment to get that done. Okay, and now when we fill in 3 on a 10 frame, we would start at the top on the left. 1, 2, 3, and that's what 3 would look like on a 10 frame. We're ready to turn the page. And turn the page. And turn the page. And turn the page. And now we will be at our April tally marks. April tally marks. So, get up there. So today is the 3rd, so we will need to put in 3 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, and color in 3 fingers. Do we get to zing today? When do we get to zing? How many days? Exactly. In 2 more days we will get to zing because we can zing on 5. Turn the page and turn the page again, and you will get to your domino page. Alright, so for our domino today, let's go with purple. Our domino today is 3 in the first box and 6 in the second box. Can you see that? 3 in the first box, so I will make my domino looks the same. 3 in the first box and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the second box. And we will need to write the addition equation that would go with those 2 numbers. 3 in the first box, 6 in the next box. I'm waiting for you. You write the equation and be ready to check when I check mine. So now I know my first number will be 3 because 3 is in my first box. I know it's addition, so I will put a plus sign because that means we're putting together. And then I know 6 is in my next box. And then equals. And then I'm going to count all to see. But I'm going to count on to make it quicker. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And to read my equation, please read it with me. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Okay, let's turn the page. And turn the page, and turn the page, and turn the page. We have extras in here because oh, I forgot my dice. I forgot my dice in there. All right. Okay, so I'm going to pretend that I just did. We'll use our domino again. A 6, I rolled a 6 and a 3. A 6 and a 3. We know from just now that 6, 7, 8, 9 is 9. And we're going to go ahead and fill that in, and then by the time I do this again on Monday, I will have dice for us. Alright. Turn the page and turn the page. There we go. So now we are at our weather page. For April's weather, today was sunny. Today was sunny, so I'm going to fill in 1 sunny. And then we'll be catching up with our weather after that. Okay, think of a sentence that you can say about our weather graph today. And see if it matches mine. Okay. Did you say that sunny has 1 more than rainy? If you did, that's my sentence. So if you did, woohoo, you got it. Now we're going to skip the May weather graph and go right to our word problems. Okay, so here's our first word problem. We will work through together. It says Tristan dyed 12 Easter eggs. He dyed 9 pink and the rest blue. How many eggs were blue? And here's my thinking. So let's take a look at our problem and see what it is that's important. Tristan dyed 12 Easter eggs. What's important in that sentence? 12. You're right. So I'm going to put a line under 12 because that's really important in this sentence. Tristan dyed 12 Easter eggs. And it said he dyed 9 pink. So I'm going to underline the 9 because that's important too, that 9 of them were pink. And then it said the rest were blue. So do we know how many are blue? Not yet. So if you have a pink and blue crayon, you can pause and get your pink and blue crayon out. All right. I'm going to go ahead and use a marker for that. If not, we know that we can always put a P for the pink and a B for the blue. So it says that Tristan dyed 12 eggs altogether. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 12 eggs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there's my 12 eggs. And then it tells me that he dyed 9 of them pink. So of his 12 eggs, 9 of them are going to be pink. So let me do that quickly. I'm going to do quick coloring, so it may not stay all the way in the lines, but that's okay. So there's 1, 2, now I'm not sure exactly because I wasn't counting. When I start getting this far, I better count to see how close I am to 9 so I don't go over, because I can't erase my marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now the words tell me that he dyed 9 of them pink. So I have done that part. 12 altogether, 9 of them were pink, and it said the rest were blue. So now I'm going to go ahead and color the rest of them blue. Now, there's my thinking. But am I finished? Okay, the question has to be asked. Where's the question that we're going to be asking? The question says, how many eggs were blue? How many eggs were blue? So I'm going to have to answer that question and put that right there in here. So when I look at my picture, I can see that 3 of them are blue. And so I would put a number 3 there. So we look to see what the words are and take it a little bit at a time and work our way through the word problem. Okay, so that's it for that today. Hopefully that worked okay. And so that'll be it on our calendar notebook. And then I'm going to go ahead and quit, and then it'll be caught up, and then Monday we'll be able to we'll do Haggerty and morning message and everything else all together. But this is my first of the actual assignment kind of thing, so hopefully that went well. I'm hoping that you can see me, and I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye.